Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So I know you guys have been asking me a lot about my hair care and it's been some time since I have spoken about it. Let me show you all a few hair care products that I love to use in my hair care routine daily. As you guys know, I style and use heat a lot on my hair, which is why I have really rough and unmanageable hair and I had to go to the salon almost on a regular basis. But then I came across the L'Oréal Professionnel Xtenso Hair Care range. Let me show you guys how I use these. So first, I use the L'Oréal Professionnel Xtenso Care Shampoo. It has a very creamy consistency and it gently cleanses my hair, providing nourishment and shine to it. Then comes the Xtenso Care Mask. I'm genuinely a fan of it. It gives my hair very smooth and shiny texture and definitely that much needed hydration and moisture too. Third is the perfect product for a shiny finish, the Xtenso Care Serum. This product gives a salon-like finish. And this is how my hair looks like after my complete routine. Soft, shiny and manageable. Another change that I have made in my hair care routine is to use wooden combs instead of plastic ones. It is much more healthier for damaged hair. And also don't forget to check out the L'Oréal Professionnel Xtenso Hair Care range and let me know if you have tried this as well.